In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print envelopes in Microsoft Word. Printing envelopes directly from Word is a simple way to save time, ensure accurate addresses, and give your mailings a professional look. Whether you're sending invitations, letters, or business correspondence, knowing how to do this efficiently is a handy skill to have. To get started, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once your document is open, go to the top ribbon and click on the Mailings tab. This tab contains all the tools you'll need for working with envelopes and labels. Look for the Envelopes button in the Create section and click on it. This will open the Envelopes and Labels window, where you can enter all the details for your mailing. In the Envelopes tab, you'll see a space labeled Delivery Address. Type the recipient's address exactly as you want it to appear on the envelope. Below that, you'll find a space for your return address. If you plan to use the same return address frequently, you can set it as the default so you don't have to type it each time. Next, check the envelope size. Click on the Options button to open the Envelope Options window. Here, you can select from a variety of standard envelope sizes or create a custom size if needed. This ensures that your address fits properly and your envelope prints correctly without cutting off any text. Once the size is set, go to the Printing Options tab. This is where you tell Word how to feed the envelope into your printer. Most printers require the envelope to be placed face up or face down, depending on the printer model. There's usually a diagram showing the correct orientation, so follow it carefully to avoid misaligned prints. After confirming the envelope size and printer settings, click OK to return to the main Envelopes window. If you just want to print a single envelope, click Print. If you want to add the envelope to your document first, click Add to Document. This creates a new page in your Word document with the envelope layout, which you can save, edit, or print later. A helpful tip is to do a test print on a blank sheet of paper first. This lets you make sure the alignment and address placement are correct before using real envelopes. Once you're satisfied, load your envelopes into the printer and print them with confidence. And that's it. You now know how to print envelopes directly from Microsoft Word, including setting addresses, adjusting sizes, and configuring your printer. This method is quick, efficient, and perfect for both personal and professional mailings. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.